Hey guys, Tayo here, and in this video I'll be talking about the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Interested? Yes, I know you are, and yeah, let's get started. The Infinix Note 10 Pro rocks a massive display of 6.95 inches, which is amazing for content consumption, and it has a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, which means you get a 1080p screen on this device. And the best part of this display is that you get 90 Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling through your social media apps will be smooth as butter, and we all love that, don't we? Powering this device is a MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is a gaming centric processor, and you should get no lags in playing your favorite games on this device. And all this power is backed up by 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage on this device, which means you would get a lot of internal storage to store your apps and games, so you won't even need a memory card, although there is a slot for a memory card that supports a memory card up to 512 gigs of storage, which is just insane. And the 8 gigs of RAM means you will be able to multitask efficiently on this device, which is also very nice. You also get a quad camera setup on the Infinix Note 10 Pro, consisting of a 64 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel monochrome camera as well. Videos from the camera maxes out at 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 frames per second from the 16 megapixel main selfie camera, which is amazing. The Infinix Note 10 Pro rocks a 5000 mAh battery, which should last you around a day on fairly intensive use cases, and when the battery is dead, you get a 33-watt fast charger which charges it in under 2 hours, which is really nice if you are on the go. In conclusion, this is an amazing device for those who can afford it at 120,000 naira, and for those who want similar specs to this device, you can also get the Infinix Note 10. Let me know if you want me to make a video on that device, and as always, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in my next video. Peace.